Welcome to the Celtic world. The Celtic world is a place of wonder, where myth, nature, and history blend together into landscapes that feel almost magical. Stretching across regions like Ireland, Scotland, Wales, Cornwall, Brittany, and Galicia, Celtic lands are known for their wild beauty, dramatic coastlines, and deep spiritual connection to the earth. These landscapes aren't just visually stunning, they carry centuries of meaning, legend, and culture. Let's take a journey through the natural beauty of the Celtic world and discover what makes it so unforgettable. Celtic lands are defined by their rugged terrain, shaped over millions of years by wind, water, and ice. You'll find rolling green hills, misty mountains, wildflower meadows, and endless coastal cliffs. It's no surprise these places inspired so many ancient legends and stories. Think of the Highlands of Scotland, where jagged peaks and deep glens seem to hold the secrets of the past. Or picture the lush countryside of Ireland, dotted with stone walls, sheep pastures, and ancient ruins, all bathed in the soft glow of golden light. These landscapes feel timeless, like you've stepped into another world, where the natural rhythms of the earth still lead the way. The coastlines of the Celtic regions are some of the most dramatic in the world. The Cliffs of Moher in Ireland rise 700 feet above the crashing waves of the Atlantic Ocean. In Cornwall, you'll find secluded coves, hidden beaches, and towering sea stacks carved by the tides. In Brittany, rugged rocks meet wild waters in scenes that are both powerful and peaceful. And in Galicia, Spain's Celtic corner, ocean mists roll over green headlands and fishing villages where the land and sea seem to whisper old stories. The combination of salty air, roaring waves, and endless horizon gives Celtic coastlines a powerful, poetic feel. The Celts believed that nature was alive with spirit. Trees, rivers, and hills were sacred, and that sense of reverence is still felt today. Ancient oak and ash forests, quiet glens, and hidden springs are scattered across the land, often tied to myths and legends. Stone circles, like Stonehenge in England and Callanish in Scotland, stand in quiet fields, aligned with the stars. These were places of ritual and mystery, reminders that Celtic people lived in harmony with the cycles of nature. Even today, visitors often say there's a special energy in these places, as if they hold memories of the earth itself. Part of what makes Celtic landscapes so beautiful is not just how they look, but how they sound and feel. The gentle wind through tall grass, the soft patter of rain on moss-covered stones, and the distant call of seabirds all add to the experience. At the heart of Celtic beauty is a deep respect for nature. The changing seasons, the moon phases, the flow of rivers, and the strength of mountains were all seen as sacred. This relationship with the land wasn't just practical, it was spiritual. In modern times, many people are drawn to Celtic places not just for travel, but for healing, inspiration, and reflection. There's a peace here that's hard to find anywhere else. The natural beauty of Celtic lands is more than just scenery. It's a living story of earth, culture, and spirit. From stormy cliffs to quiet forests, from mythic stone circles to soft, green meadows. Every part of the Celtic world invites you to slow down and feel the magic of the natural world. It's a place where past and present meet, and where beauty speaks to the soul.